No one is born perfect. We will keep finding our own flaws, discovering the hidden imperfections, then polishing and correcting them time and again. In the end, we become something beautiful, standing side by side with the finest ones.